story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include rear view camera, tinted glass, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.